Equinox 600, and I just got sand all over the back of my leg because I didn't grab my scoop right. So that's been my night so far. Found a quarter. Found a quarter so far. What do you got? Uh-oh. What'd you get right there? This is a... Ooh, what the hell is that? Aluminum can. Mine was easy. That was a top target. 25. See, we're digging some low conductors today. The beach is hard. I mean, the sand is hard, though. That's a good sign. Might get some old stuff here. Ange, this sand is really hard. That's a good sign.
Did you dig my spot?
Yeah. Aluminum. Cancel. Yeah. Low conductors can be deceiving because that can be gold too. So it's just a hard call. The minute you don't dig them, it's a gold ring. It's kind of like a slot machine. The minute you don't bet, it hits a jackpot. Manticore seems to be somewhat stable. I think the Equinox is stable than the more stable than the Manticore, which is surprising. There you go. What do you got?
Yeah.
Sounds like a 16. No, I saw your screen. I was just joking. Here, I'm gonna have you swing this. This one's a lot lighter. Try this one.
That's a 7.
See how light that one is.
Oh yeah, that's way lighter. I want this one.
You want me to make it higher, or is that good? So the wife stole the Manticore from me. So now I'm swinging the Knox 6. That is way too short for me. We're gonna do some maw hair alterations. Uh-oh, come on, what's going on here? Come on. Ah. Why are you doing this to me? Take a 12 here. You'll know it. It'll sound just like this. Pop tab. Ange, I pulled a 12, it was a pop tab. See, it's gonna drive me nuts if I don't fix it. One more, come on. Why is this thing not raising up? Come on, raise up, raise up. Oh, I need to take it down. There we go. Now we're cooking with fire. Cam locks. I got a good one right here. Good God. Good God. Here, come here and hit this with yours. I got it, never mind. This coil is huge. Hard to pinpoint with a huge coil. Quarter. Steak quarter, looks like. What? Well, no, that's not a steak quarter. Yeah, it is. Yeah, it is. Steak quarter. Thought it was something old. I was getting excited.
No, something new.
But no.
You want to come take my egg?
Yeah. Where?
Over there.
Oh.
What are you getting?
That's on a 0 to 100 scale. This is on a 0 to 60.
So that's no good.
12, 13. What were you getting? I think it's iron. Got the Equinox 600, the Manticore out. Got one? Get your coil close to the ground. Yeah, that's good. Let me hit it.
Oh no, it's pretty big. It's pretty big, huh? What's yours? Is it too big?
Yeah, it's too big. I don't know, it could be a necklace. I'm intrigued. Could be a necklace.
How far down was it?
Huh.
Here.
treasure chest. Uh-oh.
What was that? Your shovel? Here, move.
It's right there. Yeah. This thing must be deep. I'm gonna break in my digger. I'm gonna have to skip it. I think it's too big. Yeah, that
Let
ain't.
me see your pinpointer.
It's on a string.
Is it on?
Yeah, you gotta turn on, hit the button. Right there.